Imagine landing your first online client, getting paid for your skills, even if you're a complete beginner, and earning $1,000 or more every single month from the comfort of your own home, all without needing a fancy degree, years of experience, or a technical background. Thanks to artificial intelligence, this is no longer just a dream. It's happening right now. AI is transforming freelancing, and it's opening the doors for anyone to jump in, offer services, and get paid. In this video, we're breaking down how people with zero freelancing experience are using AI to build profitable services online, and how you can do it too. No hype, no fluff. Just real strategies you can start using today. Let's get into it. Number 1, what is AI freelancing? First, let's talk basics. AI freelancing is when you offer freelance services, but with the help of AI tools to speed up the process and improve quality. You're not building robots or coding neural networks. You're using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, 11 Labs, or Pictory to help clients with things like writing, design, editing, or voiceovers. For example, instead of writing a blog post from scratch, you use ChatGPT to generate it in minutes. Instead of manually designing graphics, you use Canva's AI features or generate images with Midjourney. Instead of recording your own voice, you generate studio-quality voiceovers with 11 Labs. These AI tools don't replace your role, they enhance it. They let you work faster, deliver more, and offer services you might not have been able to offer otherwise. Number 2, what services can you offer with AI? So, what kinds of freelance jobs can you actually do? Here are 5 beginner-friendly AI freelancing services you can offer even if you're just starting out. 1. AI-powered content writing. Use ChatGPT to write articles, social media captions, newsletters, and product descriptions. Charge $20 to $100 per piece. Clients care about results, not whether you typed it all by hand. 2. AI voiceovers for YouTube or ads. With 11 Labs, you can generate realistic voiceovers from text. Offer voiceover services to YouTubers, small businesses, or podcasters. Rates start around $30 per project. 3rd, social media graphics and templates. Canva's magic design tool helps you create polished graphics in minutes. You can offer Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, or YouTube thumbnails, charging $15 to $50 each. 4th, video scripts or captions. Use ChatGPT to write video scripts for YouTubers or TikTok creators. You can also create subtitles or short-form video ideas. It's fast and in high demand. 5th, presentation or resume design. Use AI to craft clean, persuasive resumes or slide decks for job seekers or professionals. Many people will gladly pay $40 to $100 for this service. These services don't require a degree or portfolio, just quality results and a bit of hustle. Number 3, where to find clients. Now, how do you actually get paid? There are 3 main ways beginners are landing freelance clients using AI. 1. Freelance platforms. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Legit are gold mines for beginners. Create a simple profile, offer one service, and start applying to jobs daily. Use your AI tools to deliver professional results quickly and stand out from the crowd. 2nd, outreach on social media. Message small business owners, coaches, and content creators on Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Offer to do a sample project, like a blog post, thumbnail, or voiceover. Once they see the value, many will hire you for paid gigs. 3rd, niche communities. Join Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Discord servers where entrepreneurs and creators hang out. Help people, share samples, and pitch your service organically. Remember, clients don't care if you use AI. They care about getting results, fast and affordably. Number 4, step-by-step, how to start today. Here's your beginner-friendly roadmap to earn your first $1,000 with AI freelancing. Step 1, pick one service. Don't try to do everything. Choose one service. Writing, voiceovers, thumbnails, whatever fits your style. Step 2, master your tools. Spend a few hours getting familiar with chat, GPT, 11 Labs, or Canva. Learn how to generate high-quality results that don't look AI generated. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. Create 3 to 5 mock samples using your tools. Even without real clients, you can build a solid portfolio. Show people what you can do. That's what matters. Step 4. Create a freelance profile. Set up your gig on Fiverr or Upwork. Use clear titles like "I will write SEO blog posts using AI" or "AI-generated voiceovers for YouTube videos." Step 5. Start pitching daily. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs per day. Send short, confident proposals. Offer a sample. The more you show up, the faster you'll land your first client. Once that happens, reinvest time into improving your skills and scaling your offers. Number 5. How much can you realistically make? Let's break it down. Say you charge $40 for AI-written blog posts. Just 25 clients per month equals $1,000. That's less than 1 client per day. Or maybe you offer AI voiceovers for $30 each. Do just 1 per day, and you're earning $900 a month. These numbers are realistic when you consistently show up and use your tools efficiently. Many freelancers hit their first $1,000 month within the first 60 days. Even without experience, the secret? Focus on value, not fluff. Number 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, here are a few mistakes that beginners often make. Trying too many services at once. Start small and specialize, sending copy-paste pitches. Personalize every message. Show genuine interest. Undercharging. Don't sell yourself short. AI helps you deliver faster, but your time still has value. Waiting for the perfect moment. Just start. You'll learn more by doing than by planning endlessly. Freelancing is a skill. You get better with time. AI freelancing isn't just the future, it's the present. You don't need years of experience. You don't need to be a tech wizard. All you need is the willingness to learn, show up, and use AI tools smartly. This is your chance to break into the world of online income without the guesswork or gatekeeping.